Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and this is part 2 of my collective haul. I'm gonna start with Dollar Tree. I found these larger sunflowers. I only found one, but the other ones I had got were this size. So when I saw these and I only saw one left, I grabbed it because I did not know that they had bigger ones. So I got that. Then I found these bags that say Welcome Fall, and I thought they were really cute. Zippers seal bags. So that's good for sending happy mail or storing stuff. I got some of these maple leaves. I got some acorns. I got some boxes. And I got some pumpkins in the wood shapes. And then I found this roll of ribbon that I thought was so pretty. And you get 3 yards. And that was everything from there. Then I went to Joann, and they were having their open stock paper that's usually 79 cents, 10 for $2. And I needed some colors for sunflowers. So I picked up this brown here, and then I picked up 2 of those, and then I picked up some different yellows. I didn't want them to all be the same. Let's see, are these the same colors? Yeah, this is Pineapple Bliss. And I got a couple of that one. Got 4 of those. And then I got, which one is this? Gold coins. And I got 2 of that color. And then I got Desert Marigold and 2 of those. So I got that. And then I used a coupon. I think I had a 20% off everything. And I got me some glitter paper also to go with the sunflowers that I'm going to be making. And this one's called King's Crown by Coordinations, American Crafts. So I got 2 of those. And then I got 2 of these that are also American Crafts Specialty, and they're just called Glitzy Glitter. Yeah, that's all I see. I don't see another name. And I got it in the smaller gold, and it's a softer gold. And then I found some bells, really tiny bells that I wanted for tags and whatnot. So I got them in gold and this kind of like steel color or nickel. They didn't have silver, otherwise I would have grabbed some of that. Then I found these adhesive dots, and I used my 50% off on these. And then the last thing I got was this Tulip Matte Dimensional Fabric Paint. It's called Snowcap White. And I love that it has this nozzle. I haven't opened it yet, is it? Oh, there's paper on it. But it has a fine tip nozzle. And I found this because of Jill Norwood here on YouTube. Hi, Jill. And I want to use it on my gingies. So, because none of the paint markers that I was finding were working out. Okay, next I placed my very first order with Tailored Expressions. And I ordered these bags. So you get 6 pouches, and I believe they're like 9 by 12. Doesn't say on here. Let me see if I have the doesn't say the size, but I believe they're 9 by 12. And you get 6 for $10, which is amazing. And I want to use these for my kits. So I picked these up. I also picked up these thin 3D foam squares. And I picked up the Don't Stress, Just Press tool for when you use over your MISTI or your other stamping tool to help put pressure. I already have one, not this one, but I wanted to see how this one felt on my hand and how it worked. And the price point on this is really good. It was like $7.99, which is a really good deal. Then I got, this was the main reason I went there, to get this Build a Gingerbread. So he is a really nice size, he or she. And then I got the gingerbread attire, so you can make it a girl or a boy. I also picked up this finger loop detail knife. I've been looking for one and they had it, so I grabbed it from there. And I believed when I signed up that there was like a 10 or 15% off welcome coupon. So you might want to check that out if you're interested. And they sent me a free sunflower die. It was a thank you gift. I was so happy about that. Okay, so that was from there. Then I did an order from my favorite things. I ordered the Stuffed Santa card kit. And let me show you what comes in that. I think I'm going to be good on Christmas stuff once I get it all in. So, you get, here are some examples, and I'll show you what you get. So you get the Stuffed Santa stamps, and it says Santa Claus is coming, but he's been snacking heavy this year, so your present may be delayed. This card is stuffed with love. Santa sends his regards. He may be a while. And then it had the coinciding dies to go with that. And then it had the Up on the Rooftop dies. And then I believe you got 12 sheets of paper. You got 5 white. Then you got Cement Gray, Gravel Gray, Black Licorice, Red Hot, Amarena Cherry, Snow Cone, and Lazy Day. And that was the kit. I thought it was so cute. I love the little examples that they gave. So darling. Okay, so there was that kit. Next I did a little haul, a mini haul from the Not Too Shabby shop, which is Jamie's shop. And if you use the word Jamie, you get 10% off your purchase. So I wanted this stamp set here that is called Warm and Cozy. And then I had saved up enough points where I got this paper pad for free that I picked, Frosted and Tufted. You get 24 double-sided sheets, 2 of each design. So I was pretty excited about that. So every time you purchase from her, you accrue points, and then you can cash in the points for products from her store. So that is what I did. And oh, she also sent me some free sequins. These colors are so pretty. So thank you, Jamie. And then I did an order. Actually, let me show you what I got from Michael's. So they have a clearance aisle. And I happened to find, I had been wanting this paper, but I just didn't want to pay the $14 for it. It's the Toned Tan Mixed Media. I got it for $5. And you get 15 sheets. And I think it would work great with pencils, my polychromos, or my Prismacolors. So that is why I got it. Then they had their paper on sale for $3.99, so I picked up gold foil. And it's called matte gold foil is the one that I picked. And you get 25 sheets for $3.99, not a bad deal. And also in their clearance, I found these diamond dots. And you get 5 of them, and I got them for $1.24. Then they were having a sale where you buy one thing in the paper or crafting area and you get the second one half off. So I picked up this pad of, it says 100% wood treatments. It's all glitter. And I think you get 4 of each. Really pretty. So I got that, and then the half off item I got were these stickles and liquid pearls. And I thought they were really pretty for Christmas. Okay, then my very last order was from Frank Garcia Studio, and they sent me a little thank you note, which was very nice. And what I picked up from there was some art glitter glue and some fabric tack by Beacon. I thought this would be perfect for like lace and stuff or ribbon that I'm going to use on cards, since that is what it's made for. So I picked up some of that. And then I picked up this paper pad called Busy Sidewalks, and it is so cute. It's single-sided. Oops, I skipped one. There, and this one's like my favorite. Oh my gosh. And it has gold foil. Pretty poinsettias. Look at that, so pretty. Some stripes, some lights, candy cane, some more gold foil, poinsettias and pine cones and acorns. Look at those deer. I love this sheet too. Got that. And that's the last page. And then I picked up the puffy stickers that went with it. I thought they were super cute as well. Then I picked up 2 dies from Rosie's Studio. I picked up the gingerbread house and the poinsettia. And then, also from Busy Sidewalks, I picked up some 12 by 12. I just picked up this one that I really liked. This one. Oh, they're double-sided too. Let me show you the other side. So you get this side or this side. And I'm using it for the candy canes. And then you get this side or this side, and this is the side I wanted. I think it's so cute. And then I also picked up the foil on acetate from Busy Sidewalks. I thought this was so pretty. Okay, almost finished. And the last thing I picked up was the Hello Pink Autumn 12 by 12 paper pad. And I had bought it in the smaller size. But guys, I wanted the gold foil. And you had to get or rose gold, the 12 by 12 in order to get it. So pretty. beautiful. Look at those butterflies and those beautiful pumpkins. And there's some rose gold in here too. I think it's rose gold anyway. That's what it looks like to me. Then you get like this sweater pattern on the back. And then these you can do as cut aparts. And then there's this page. And that one. So pretty. And the last two things I got were the matching vellum sheet that has that gold in it also. And then I got the acetate sheet. So guys, thank you for watching. I think I'm all caught up with everything. And oh wait, I have two more things. Oh, I have three more things that I bought there. I had bought the smaller paper pad. And I don't have it opened. But it's the same, it just doesn't have the gold foil. And then I picked up the Christmas Sparkle line by Prima Frank Garcia. And this one is so cute as well. Isn't that pretty? And there's that one with Santa on it. I love the back also. Then there's this one, little cut aparts. And then that's the back. Then there's this one. And then the deer. So cute. And then the nutcracker and peppermints. And there's this one. And then the back of that. And then the very last thing I got was the trims that go with the Christmas Sparkle. And I got these. So guys, thanks for watching. I love you guys. All right, bye.